Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out a brand new addition to the world of smart speakers, the Amazon Echo Pop. Whether you're new to the smart home game or a seasoned pro, this compact device promises to pack a punch in both sound and smart capabilities. Let's see if the Echo Pop is worth the hype. Design and aesthetic. First things first, let's talk design. The Amazon Echo Pop has a unique, half-sphere shape, which not only looks sleek but also fits perfectly in small spaces, be it your desk, nightstand, or kitchen counter. It comes in a variety of colors, so you can choose the one that best matches your style or home decor. Despite its small size, the Echo Pop has a surprisingly solid build, and the LED light ring adds that signature Alexa vibe we all know and love. Sound quality that surprises. Next up, let's get into the audio performance. The Echo Pop may be small, but don't let that fool you. It delivers impressive sound for its size. The front-facing speaker projects audio directly toward you, providing clearer vocals and balanced bass for everything from music to podcasts. While it's not meant to replace your high-end speaker systems, for casual listening, the Echo Pop more than holds its own. Whether you're playing music through Spotify, Apple Music, or Amazon Music, or just streaming your favorite radio station, this little speaker can fill a room with sound. It's perfect for background tunes while cooking, studying, or even hosting small gatherings. Alexa's smarts in a small package. Now let's get into the smart features, because after all, the Echo Pop is more than just a speaker, it's powered by Alexa. With Alexa built in, you have access to voice commands for music control, smart home management, and getting updates on weather, news, and your schedule. Simply say, "Alexa, what's the weather today?" Or, "Alexa, turn off the lights," and you're instantly connected to all your smart home devices. Setting reminders, timers, and alarms has never been easier, and the Echo Pop can even serve as a central hub for controlling your smart lights, thermostats, and more. With Alexa routines, you can automate tasks like dimming the lights when it's time to wind down or turning on the coffee maker in the morning. Privacy and security. Amazon has also kept privacy in mind with the Echo Pop. There's a microphone off button that allows you to physically disable the mics, ensuring that Alexa is only listening when you want her to. This feature is a must for anyone concerned about privacy in a smart home environment. Versatile and affordable. What makes the Echo Pop especially appealing is its affordable price point. It's a great entry into the world of smart speakers without breaking the bank, making it accessible to a wider range of users. If you're building a smart home setup or simply need a second Alexa device for another room, this could be a great option. Plus, its compact size makes it ideal for those tight spaces where larger speakers just don't fit. Whether it's your home office, bedroom, or even a dorm room, the Echo Pop is designed to deliver quality sound and smart features without taking up much space. Who is this for? The Amazon Echo Pop is perfect for tech-savvy individuals who want to expand their smart home setup without investing in a full-sized smart speaker. It's also great for students, young professionals, or anyone looking for an affordable, compact speaker that delivers decent sound and all the Alexa features in one neat package. Final thoughts. So, is the Amazon Echo Pop worth it? Absolutely. With its compact design, solid sound quality, and Alexa smarts, it's a great addition to any home, especially if you're looking for an entry-level smart speaker or a secondary Alexa device. The affordable price makes it an easy choice for anyone wanting to dive into the smart home world without a big commitment. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews, smart home tutorials, and the latest in gadgets. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop for new content. See you in the next one.